In this video, I'll share with you top 5 practice questions used in a test to determine the business word. If the video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. For this question, you need to determine the business word. A word represents a plan a business uses to reach a goal. The present letters are R, A, E, and Y. You have 7 seconds to think of the correct 8-letter business word. Time's up. Did you solve it? The correct answer is strategy. A strategy is a plan a business uses to reach its goals and fits the missing letters perfectly. S-T-R-A-T-E-G-Y. For this question, look at the description first. A person or company that buys a product or service. And you have letters present C, S, O, and E. You have 7 seconds to think about the answer. Time's up. Did you solve it? Post your answer in comments and I'll come back to check and grade your response. For this question, you need to determine a word which represents a formal agreement between people or companies. And the present letters are C, N, R, and C. Let's see if you can solve it in 7 seconds. Write your answer below. Time's up. Did you figure it out? Post your answer in the comments and I'll check who got it right. This word represents the process of shaping how people see the company. And the present letters are B, A, D, and N. You've got 7 seconds on the clock. Put your answer in the comments. Time's up. How did you do? Drop your answer below and I'll review the comments later. For this question, you need to determine a word which represents a reduced price offered to attract customers. The present letters are I, C, U, and T. You've got 7 seconds on the clock. Time's up. Did you figure it out? Post your answer in the comments and I'll check who got it right. If you liked this video and it's challenged your brain, you will enjoy other videos on the channel. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can keep practicing. Thanks for watching and have a great day.